Hi guys, you're welcome to today's class, still on projectile motion. Today, we'll be solving problems on projectile using the formula that I gave in the previous class. And please, if you have not watched it, endeavor to watch it so that you understand better what we are doing. Now, we have here that a tennis ball is hit with a velocity of 3 meters per second at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. Question is calculate A, time of flight, B, the maximum height, C, the range. Say take G, relation due to gravity as 10 meters per second. Now, solution, like I will always say to my students, whenever problems are given, especially in physics, you try to write out the parameters that are given that will enable you solve the problem. And by that, you also know the formula to use to make it easier and faster for you. Now we have that given, we have velocity v as 3 meters per second. We also have angle theta to be 60 degrees, and we have relation due to gravity g to be 10 meters per second square. Now, from the formula that I gave, you understand that the best, of course, there are formulas that are given, and you say calculate the time of flight. And the time of flight here is given that by t equals to 2v naught sine theta over acceleration due to gravity g. Now, if we substitute values, trying to do this, okay, substitute values, we have that t equals to 2 times v naught here is 3 times sine theta here is 60 over acceleration due to gravity g, which is 10. Now I have here that t is equals to 2 times 3 times sine 60 here is 0.8660 over 10. Therefore, discover that, please, for time, for space sake, discover that the time here, when you multiply this, 2 times 3 by 0.8660 divided by 10, you're going to have 0.5196 seconds. That's that. Now, that is A, being the time of flight. Now, V here, which is the maximum height. Now, maximum height is denoted as Y mass, and Y mass here is equals to V naught square. Y mass here is denoted as V naught square sine square theta over 2g. V naught square sine square theta over 2g, which, if we now substitute values, the V naught t being 3 square times sine 60 square is 60 place over 2 times 10. Now, this will be 9 multiplied by 0.75, which is the value of sine 60 square over 20. And if you multiply this together and divide by this, you will simply have 0. That's the Y mass, 0.338 meters. And the third one, C, is range. The range is given as x equals to v naught square sine 2 theta over relation due to gravity g. And the v is 3 square multiplied by sine 2 times 60 over 10. This is equals to 9 times 0.2 times 60 is 120. Sine 120 is 0.8660 660 over 10. If you multiply this together, multiply this and divide by 10, range here will be equals to 0.78 meters. And that is the final answer to the assumed complex problem. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problems in horizontal motion. Bye.